Guys, have you all decided na ba where to enroll? I'm still undecided pa kasi eh.
I enrolled sa RVM. I have no choice din kasi eh. Mama choose my senior high school. Di ako makaangal.
Ay, sayang. I enrolled sa NDC right after we finish school. Para na rin I can save myself a slot for the strand that I'll be taking it.
Uy, nag-enroll ako sa Coland. It's near us lang din kasi.
Me and Norhan na-enrolled sa NDU, one of our dream school rin kasi here in Cotabato.
How about you, Aliza?
Wala pa ako naka-enroll eh. Actually, the schools you have all mentioned does not fit my vibe. And it's really far in sa boarding house ko.
Malapit ng pasukan na. Maghanap ka na dapat.
Diba there's a school near your boarding house lang rin? Yung color yellow at blue ang logo?
You mean STI?
Oh yes, I heard their quality when it comes to teaching is really good.
May makukuha pa kaya akong slot sa gusto kong strand? It's too late na rin kasi if I enroll eh.
Meron yan, you can enroll sa link na pinrovide nila through their Facebook page. List your name na.
Guys, tomorrow na daw yung orientation, di ba? First day nyo rin ba sa school? Ihatid nyo naman ako sa main building, oh.
Sure! See you bukas!
Girls, malapit na ba tayo? Girls, so hot! Look ko, STI na. Sige na, Ali. Enjoy, ha? Update us, ha? Bye!
Morning everyone. This is the section of Humes 12A. Tama ba ako? Yes, ma'am! Okay, good. So today, this is the first time that we've all met. And hindi ko muna kaya ipapag-introduce yourself kasi alam ko karamihan sa inyo is nangihiya pa. But, let me introduce myself now. My name is Dani Salil, your homeroom and oral communication teacher. And also, your advisors. Okay, so as of now, it is Monday and it is 8 a.m. So lahat naman kayo may schedule, no?
Yes, ma'am!
Okay, so lahat naman kayo aware na every Monday at 8 a.m. is our homeroom. And today, sa homeroom natin, we will be doing an activity para makapag-interact kayo sa isa't isa. Okay, so guys, remain quiet. Yung nasa harap ko ngayon, nasa pinakalikod, is kayo ang mga leader. This side, yung sa gitna na side, and last side. Balik kayo dito. Lapit kayo. Okay, so guys, ito yung drawing nyo ha. Okay, so did everyone enjoy?
Yes!
So, ang pangalan natin for today's group activity is Group 3. Okay, so that's for today's morning. Class dismissed. Thank you, everyone. You may now go home. Girls, did you know there's a new transfer here?
Ah yes, I heard that.
Oo nga, meron na naman tayong bagong utusan.
Plus, she's poor.
Poor girl.
Bagay na bagay sa kanya maging utusan.
True!
My God. Guys, it's not so safe, you know?
I can't go outside kung ganyan ang amoy ko.
Ano nga may itsura yan? Oh my gosh.
I'm not saying it's the new transfer, pero parang gano'n na nga.
Hey, isa sa mama. Cheers, may bago namang pulutan. Guys, I'm so ready na. Ganda talaga ng bagong transfer eh.
Pulutan talaga, tol.
Pulutan.
Oh, lucha bando.
Tara, punta natin.
Guys, andito na tayo.
Guys, tara na, pwede na magsimula.
Guys, it's so boring, no? What if may pagtripan tayo? What if yung new transfer? Look, ayun siya. Tamang-tama.
Aray ko! Aray ko! Aray ko! Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo?
Go, girl! Go, girls! Oh my God! What did we do?
Guys, let's leave. Oh, magbayad ka ng renta mo. Ilang buwan kayo nagbabayad. Oh, bubuksan ko na to. Ang kaya mo. Ang kulang.
sa birthday ni Elise. Oo, sayang. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yung nakikita ko? Saan? Junardi! Junardi! May mundo sa CR!
Guys, nakalang! Guys!
Ha? Ano yan? Panaginip lang pala.
Hi, what's your name?
My friends ka naman here?
Aliza. And wala pa akong friends ngayon eh. Tara, you should join na lang sa circle namin. Yes, you should join na lang.
Kung maniwala dyan, they are neighbors. True!